किती काम मध्ये काम तो उभं राहतो अरे मध्ये उभं राहला तू मुंबईत सांगला त्याला काढू.
What happened, my friend? They're getting tickets?
Yeah.
Why?
No ticket fine.
It's a fine.
No helmet.
No helmet. Everybody have no helmet.
Yeah, everything helmet. Yeah.
So why he stopped them? Everybody else have no helmet. Look, the girl has no helmet in front.
Helmet.
They only stop 1 in 100 people, no?
Yeah.
If you get pulled over for not wearing a helmet in India, you have to be the most unlucky person.
Accidental road is narrow road and too much accidental.
But it looks like they're targeting tourists or out of towners. I'm gonna meet Maili right now at Magic World, the restaurant, and we're gonna head to the river to see if we can see any wildlife. There's gonna be a lot of birds, exotic birds. Apparently the boatman is gonna be throwing fish in the water for the eagles to dive for. So that's gonna be a sight to behold. Let's see how that goes. It's probably gonna be like Jurassic Park, where the tourists or the dinosaur viewers are being pulled through in the cars and they never get to see any dinosaurs. You remember that? All right, I'm here. All right, brother. Thank you very much.
Okay, man.
River time. How are you, sir?
You're a YouTuber?
Yes, sir.
Germany?
No. I'm from the West Indies. No, you're a YouTube star, celebrity. Oh my gosh. Everybody's shopping for shades. I don't think they're tested. They're probably gonna make your eyes go bad by the end of your vacation. But at least you're gonna go blind looking cool. Everybody's doing massages on the beach. I'm not sure if they're actually qualified. They pull out these big therapeutic beds and they start giving you a massage. And I'm not sure how much it costs, but those guys are making a killing. Because every tourist that comes there, they want to splash out on things that they don't really need. It's one of the more popular beaches for a more conservative holiday, let's put it that way. So you're not going to find a bunch of youngsters getting too drunk and doing drugs. How are you guys doing? Turn it around like this? Like this? Some people don't like to be on camera and you have to respect that, I guess. But the way they go about doing it is a little bit aggressive. But that's okay. That's the life of a successful YouTuber like myself. So that tuk-tuk driver, he drops me on the other end of the beach. How unlucky is that? Maili, are you in the mood to be on camera? It doesn't look like it. You look very calm. Are you doing tarot cards? Are you gonna do tarot cards for me?
Yes.
To see what my dim future looks like?
Bye.
Hello. How much is how much is the river trip?
How many? Just 2 people, no?
Yeah.
1200 for you. 1 hour ride.
1200?
Yeah, 12, both of you. We are showing
What about 1000? How long is it for?
45 to 50 minutes. If you want, I can make you 1 hour. Hello, hi.
1 hour? For 1000?
If you not seen,
500 each?
yeah, 500 each. We are showing like this eagle. We carry the chicken, we throw the chicken,
Yeah.
and this is birds. We are showing birds. And also this.
So the eagle's gonna be there as well?
Yeah. Eagles and kites and Brahmani kite, Parai kite.
Oh, there's gonna be
sea eagle.
kites as well?
Yeah, and white-bellied sea eagle also.
So 500 each?
Yeah.
And how
No,
much?
actually 1200, but for you 45 minutes I will make ride.
45 minutes.
45 minutes.
4-5
Is 45 minutes enough to see the eagles and everything?
everything.
Let's quickly grab a beer for our river tour to make it a bit more exciting. Good old Kingfisher, the beer of champions. I can sit down there? Yeah, it's really quiet here. It's nice. So everything about this tour is birds. Is there alligators or crocodiles in India?
No.
That's what I thought.
Only birds, eagles,
You made that up.
sometimes snakes,
Not here.
sometimes fox. Maybe 1 or 2 times we are spot leopard also here on the forest.
Leopard. Oh wow. Seriously, in this forest?
Yeah,
So there are leopards in the forest
not now. Before COVID.
before COVID?
Yeah, before, we saw it 2018 or something that time. My friend saw.
Oh really? So there's not many
Yeah.
leopards?
Just one.
Just one.
And lots of monkeys also.
Riverboat tour chairs.
This is a resort. His name is Dreamcatcher. This guy from Kerala, he came here for business. He make all setup. This is the villas, front villa.
Oh, Dreamcatcher. Oh, you can enter Dreamcatcher on the beach over there. Mangrove forest.
And also
There's a lot of mangrove in Trinidad, so you guys are not going to be interested in that. So those bungalows over there, apparently they're like 3,500, 4,000. That's the price range. And wow, how beautiful is that? Riverside,
big one is more
very
big
calm, very quiet.
because they have 2 rooms, the double apartment like
Yeah.
they can minimum 12 to 10 people we can sleep there.
Ah, okay, so that's a big one.
They have big balconies
Yeah.
over there. Inside they have,
Is there any fishing here? Do the guests fish here? Can you catch anything good to eat? Not really?
yeah, you can fish also if you stay there.
We're getting deeper and deeper into Palolem backwaters, and things are getting very scary. Something wild is going to jump out of the water soon.
You can see the
I feel like I'm going to be attacked by a leopard.
Maybe you can shoot them.
grey heron.
Oh, it's a grey heron.
You
Is-
can see kingfisher
is-
on the top.
Is that the white-breasted seagull?
See the kingfisher on the tree, the white-throated kingfisher. On the top of the tree.
Which top?
Yeah,
This tree here?
you can see on the top. There is a kingfisher.
Oh, I can see it.
Yes, small one.
Oh, it's a kingfisher.
Yeah, it's white.
Oh, this is what the bear is named after.
On the beer kingfisher bottle.
Yeah, guys, you can't really see it because it's a small bird, but there's a kingfisher on top of the tree, and that is what the bear is named after. I guess you can get a better look on the bottle.
And this is our fishing trap, traditional fishing trap. We put all sticks here, and inside we put coconut trees, then rocks and small trees, and tires, tubes. The fish will be in the safe place for breeding, eggs. And
Ah, okay.
so after 2-3 months we came, put surrounding net, and we go inside and catch fish.
All right, check it out, guys. We got some kites here, some predatory birds.
On the eagle.
There's an eagle there?
You saw it? The right side, they fly.
Wow.
Where? The one with the white belly is the eagle. That's a seagull,
Yeah, this is a sea eagle.
but these are kites,
Yeah, this is the
and I'm not seeing the eagle. He says there's an eagle, but I'm not seeing it. I'm looking for the elusive eagle. Where's the eagle? Oh, I see the eagle. Oh no, that's not the eagle. Can you see the eagle? These birds are huge, man. That's an eagle.
No, there's a kite.
This one with the white belly?
And there's the eagle, you can see on the front side.
On-
Top fly.
On the top. When things get so quiet, there's always danger lurking. Is there any big predatory fish in the river? Like
Not big one, like less than 1 kg.
less than 1 kg?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Red snapper, barramundi. Sometime from sea, the big fish will become. Maybe we catch 2 years before.
Yeah.
5 kg barramundi.
5
25
kg.
kgs.
Okay. So you got the old crabby crabs living there. If you don't have crabs, you can see them here. Oh, look at it! You see it?
His name is stockbill. Yeah, stockbill kingfisher. The big one, huge one. Last,
Storkbill kingfisher.
you can see
The biggest kingfisher. Here it is.
Wow.
they're so lucky Maili because it's a rare, very rare.
You guys probably didn't see that, but our friend here is telling us that it's a very rare species. It's difficult to see, and we just saw one. I'm not sure if you can see in the distance, guys, but it's called the balancing rock. There's a boulder on top of a huge rock, and it just seems like it's very well balanced because there's not much surface contact between that boulder and the big rock. So if I went up there and I pushed the rock, will it fall?
No one can go there. Only leopards, monkeys, and birds. You can't go there. Lots of people try. They can't get up.
Impossible.
Oh, it's impossible.
Yeah, it's impossible.
Yeah, that 45 minutes went by very quickly. A lot of excitement on the river, guys. If you guys want to do a river tour in Palolem, you come to...
Hello, my name is Pritam Jimru, and the guy is a nice guy, so he will give my contact number also. So you can, if you came Palolem, you can definitely come in the river. I will give you good service, good ride. My boat will be start from morning 7 to evening 5:30. So if you came like a group, I will give you discount also. For one couple, is the price will be give for 1,000 for you. Because if you subscribe the channel, is the guys, I will make you discount.
That's what I'm talking about. I like this guy. The ride was good. The ride was fantastic. The water is calm.
Good to finish the day.
You're in the middle of nature. It's beautiful.